All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set we just had done for a customer. This one here is 10 on 10 teeth. So it basically covers all of the visible teeth on the front, top, and the bottom. It is 925 sterling silver. You got the diamond dust right there. You can see shining real nice there in the sunlight. And it has the white border, so you got that white frame around it. Gives that little nice design styling to it. And this is available on our website, guys, blingcartel.com. You can check the link in the description. It'll take you right to the product listing. Look at that shine, guys. This is handmade from an actual impression of the customer's teeth, so it's a perfect fit. Here's the back side. Snaps right on the teeth there. No need for any type of silicone or anything like that. This is a real deal. This is real custom grills. blingcartel.com. High quality, beautiful masterpiece. Check it out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.